So this is Astrid with Kanen coffee, and I have this Eureka Specialita grinder here. So this grinder was completely clogged with coffee, which was preventing it from preventing the burrs from turning. All I did is took it apart, cleaned everything, and put together. And I'll show you here. It's on almost the finest setting, and I have about 20 grams of coffee. There's our coffee. Show you here. You can see that it's fine because when I squeeze it, it holds its shape. And then I will brew a shot of espresso just to show you that it's able to build up, the espresso machine is able to build up pressure with this finely ground coffee. Okay, here's our espresso puck. So as you can see, the machine is reaching 9 bars here. And hopefully you can see that shot of espresso right here. There's our cup. Alright. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.